Welcome to the Watchtime FX Academy. You've mastered structure. You can spot clean entries and manage risk. But there's one thing left, the true final boss of trading. It's not the market. It's not your strategy. It's you. Because in trading, your biggest threat is your own brain. Let's expose how your psychology is being used against you, and how to take control. This market is engineered to trigger you. Let's get brutally honest. This market was not built for you to win. It was built to exploit human behavior. You fear missing out, it shows fake breakouts. You panic in drawdown, it fakes breakdowns. You crave reward, it gives short wins to hook you. You hate being wrong, it punishes hesitation. This is not random. The algorithms, the institutions, the hedge funds, they all study your behavior. They know you'll buy after green candles. They know you'll panic sell on red. They know you'll chase highs and cut lows. And they use that to drain your capital, slowly, predictably, legally. Your only defense? Becoming emotionally unpredictable. Candle hypnosis is real. You've felt it. You sit. You wait. Then price gets close to your zone, and suddenly, candles speed up. You see a wick, a surge, your heart rate goes up. You weren't supposed to trade yet. But now, you're clicking. You're entering. Why? Because you've been hypnotized. The brain interprets fast movement as opportunity. Emotion overrides logic. And suddenly, your plan is gone. This is how traders destroy themselves, not from lack of knowledge, but from losing the internal battle. So from this point forward, your job is to observe your emotional spikes like market signals. Feel FOMO? Step back. Feel revenge? Stop immediately. Feel urgency? Delay execution. If it feels intense, it's probably a trap. Emotion-driven trades equals random results. You can have the best system in the world. But if you're clicking based on emotion, not logic, you're flipping a coin. Let's make this simple: a clean system plus emotional execution equals gambling. A simple system plus emotionless execution equals consistent edge. Every time you override your system, you introduce variance. Variance creates chaos. And chaos is what destroys careers. Greed and fear, the two loops of death. There are only two emotional states that destroy traders: red triangle pointed down, fear loop. You lose, you hesitate, you miss, you doubt yourself, you avoid good trades, you stay stuck. Red triangle pointed up, greed loop. You win, you feel invincible, you overtrade, you lose more than you made, you spiral. Most traders bounce between these two loops forever. To escape, you need a mechanical execution system, and a mindset that views every trade as just one of 1,000. Not a life or death event. Build a psychological rulebook. Winning traders operate by rules, not emotion. Here's a high-performance internal rulebook you can adopt. If I lose 2 trades in a row, I stop for the day. If I feel FOMO, I walk away for 15 minutes. I only trade setups that match checklist A, Z. Profits are not mine until they're withdrawn. Losses are tuition, not punishment. Your brain craves structure. Give it rules, or it will make its own. And those rules will be driven by panic, shame, ego, and desperation. Trading is 90% technical. 80% psychology and 20% technical is big lie. This isn't a cliché. It's literal. The candles, zones, liquidity, they're all reacted to by your perception. 2 traders can look at the same chart, one sees trap and patience. The other sees opportunity and panic. Who wins? The one who sees the causation, not emotionally. So your real job is to develop what elite performers call emotional distance. You see price. You analyze it. But you don't attach to the outcome. You play your edge. And whether it wins or loses, you stay neutral. This neutrality is a superpower. Reframing losses, data, not damage. Here's how average traders view a loss: I was wrong. I'm not good at this. I should have done X. Here's how elite traders view it: interesting. That entry failed. Let me log it, tag it, and look for patterns over 50 trades. See the difference? One sees loss as identity. The other sees loss as feedback. If you can reframe every outcome as data, your brain stops associating loss with pain. And when pain is gone, clarity returns. Building a trading mindset like a fund. Hedge funds don't freak out when one trade loses. They run thousands of data-backed entries across structured models. You're not there yet, but you can think like them. Ask yourself, is this setup repeatable? Is this part of my edge? Did I execute the system? Would I take this trade again 100 times? If yes, you won. Even if it lost. Because in this game, the real win is consistency, not outcome. Remove identity from performance. This one's critical. Your results are not a reflection of your worth. Your losses are not proof of failure. Your wins are not proof of genius. Detach identity from performance. You are the operator, not the outcome. When you internalize this, you become dangerous. Because now, nothing can shake you. You operate like a machine, not a gambler. This is where 99% give up. They get the strategy. They learn the entries. They make a little profit, then lose it. And instead of looking inward, they blame the market. Don't do that. This game rewards those who take full responsibility and train the mind just like they train the chart. This is where the real edge begins. You've done the technical work. Now you've faced the mental war. From here on, every decision is either emotional and destructive, or strategic and compounding. Choose wisely. Welcome to the real game.